Now, there's politics that has now erupted over Akhilesh Yadav meeting with accused Pawan Yadav. The Bharatiya Janata Party criticized him and said that the SP chief is trying to shield the accused. The ally of the Samajwadi Party, the Congress Party, on the other hand, has defended Akhilesh's meeting with the accused and said there's nothing wrong in meeting their party leader.
नहीं, देखिए, किसी भी के नागरिक के साथ में अगर कोई घटना होती है, कोई इल्ज़ाम लगता है, तो इल्ज़ाम ही परिणाम नहीं होता। उसको भी अपनी बात कहने का हक अधिकार है और उससे भी अगर कोई जानकारी लेना चाहता, सच्चाई क्या हकीकत क्या है, तो इसमें बुरा क्या है? ये तो प्रजातंत्र हमारे संविधान ने व्यवस्था दिया है, उसमें प्रावधान है।
Meanwhile, the accused Pawan Yadav has thanked Akhilesh Yadav for meeting him. He further remains defiant that he was not part of the entire harassment incident.
समाजवादी पार्टी को, अखिलेश भैया को मैं धन्यवाद बोलता हूं जो मेरी मुसीबत समझा, क्योंकि मैं नहीं था उस दिन। उनको ये बात बताई गई, उन्होंने सब कुछ करके सही जांच करके मेरा नाम बोला कि मैं नहीं था। उसके लिए मैं उनको धन्यवाद बोलता हूं। कुछ नहीं, अखिलेश भैया ने तो बोला कुछ नहीं, डरो मत, ये वो।
Now, let's once again listen into what the Chief Minister, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, had said during his address in the State Assembly, where he specifically mentioned the names of two of the accused allegedly involved in this incident.
जो गोमती नगर की घटना है, उस घटना में भी हम लोगों ने जवाबदेही तय की है। उसके अपराधियों की सूची भी मेरे पास आई है। ये अपराधी हैं। पहला अपराधी है पवन यादव, दूसरा अपराधी है मोहम्मद अरबाज। ये सद्भावना वाले लोग हैं। इनके लिए बुलेट ट्रेन चलेगी, चिंता मत करो। और उस बुलेट ट्रेन की तैयारी की जा रही है और इसीलिए महिला सुरक्षा हमारे लिए सर्वोच्च महत्व रखता है। हमने इस बात को पहले दिन कहा है, कोई खिलवाड़ करेगा तो उसका खामियाजा भुगतेगा। इस घटना को हमने गंभीरता से लिया है।
Well, Adib now joins us from Lucknow. Adib, there's outrage over the fact that the Samajwadi Party chief has met one of the accused in this case, Pawan Yadav, even though Pawan Yadav has come out on record to say that he was not present at the time that the harassment incident happened. On the other hand, the Samajwadi Party is also accusing the Chief Minister, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, of singling out just two names out of the several accused in this matter.
Siddharth, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was very clear on the first day when he made a statement in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly, and he took the name of those two accused. It was the Pawan Yadav, and second one was of the Mohammad Arbaz. At that time, only these two accused were arrested by the Lucknow police, and later on, Lucknow police went on to arrest at least 15 to 19 people in this case. But Akhilesh Yadav is now pointing at Yogi Adityanath, saying that he is taking only a name of the two accused in this case, and Pawan Yadav, who is one of the accused in the Gomti Nagar case, went out in Gomti Nagar just to have a cup of tea, and he was arrested by the Lucknow police, and Lucknow police has falsely arrested him. This is what Akhilesh Yadav has accused, but the Lucknow police has also come out, and Lucknow police has posted a reply on their social media account claiming that they have arrested Pawan Yadav on all the investigation done by the Lucknow police, and they have enough evidences linked to Pawan Yadav. And the Lucknow police also went on to say that Pawan Yadav has been arrested, has 3 cases prior to this case, and he has given a bail from the High Court, but he has not been given a clean sheet from the Lucknow police, or he has not been cleared from the High Court. He's just out on bail, and he's accusing Lucknow police of the charges. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, on the other hand, he's saying that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath should take out the name of each and every accused in this case, as there are several accused, those who have links with this government or the BJP, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was talking about the bulletin, so he should prepare that bulletin and he should take the names of all other accused except for the Pawan Yadav.
Adib, there's also, of course, a lot of criticism that Mr. Akhilesh Yadav has been at the receiving end of for having met an accused in this case, and that's Pawan Yadav. Stay with us because we have some more.